Good morning everyone. Yesterday we were discussing the topic chemical change, right? What is a chemical change? A chemical change is a change in which there is a formation of a new substance. Okay? A chemical change is a change in which there is a formation of new substance. Now, example of a chemical change: mixing of baking soda and vinegar. When you will mix these two chemicals, it results in the formation of a new substance. So it is a chemical change. Okay, now let me show you this reaction. Now I am going to show you the reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Here in this bottle I am having vinegar, that is acetic acid, and here I am having baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this is a glass tumbler. Okay, now let us start the activity. So now I am adding vinegar in this glass tumbler. Okay. Okay, I had filled it half. Okay, now I am adding baking soda and this vinegar. Okay, now observe it carefully. Observe it carefully. Okay, I am adding baking soda. Just see. Can you see bubbles? Just see. These bubbles are of CO2 gas. Okay. Now I am adding it once again. Observe it. You can see bubbles are there. Right now? These bubbles are of carbon dioxide gas. So this is a chemical change, as it results in the formation of a new substance, that is CO2 plus other substances. Okay. Now, as you had seen, when vinegar and baking soda are mixed together, it results in the formation of a gas, right now? And that gas is carbon dioxide. That gas is carbon dioxide. So when baking soda and vinegar react together, it results in the formation of CO2. CO2 means carbon dioxide, okay, plus other substances. Besides CO2, other substances are also formed. Okay, so this is the reaction. When vinegar is added to baking soda, it results in the formation of a gas plus other substances. Now, I am telling you the gas is CO2. But if you want to justify yourself that this is CO2 or any other gas, then how will you do? How will you show that the gas produced in this reaction is CO2 only? So for this also we are having a reaction. The gas produced in this setup, suppose here I am having a test tube. Okay, in this vinegar is there. Now in the vinegar I had added baking soda. Okay. Chemical name of vinegar is acetic acid. What is the chemical name of vinegar? Acetic acid. And chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. So when you will mix these two, a gas will be produced, right? Now pass the above gas through lime water. What is the formula of lime water? calcium hydroxide. It is calcium hydroxide. Okay. Now I am covering its mouth so that there will not be any leakage. Okay. Then we have to make a hole, and then through that hole we have to pass a double bent glass tube. Double bent, you can see, first time and second time. Okay. And here in a beaker I will take what? Lime water. Okay. So here I am having lime water. Now when these two, that is vinegar and baking soda, will be mixed together, it results in the formation of a gas, right? And that gas will pass through this double bent glass tube. Then the gas will reach here in the lime water, and what you will observe, the lime water will turn milky. You had seen milk, that color means whitish color you will observe. This is a test for carbon dioxide. If the gas produced turns lime water milky, okay, then the gas is carbon dioxide. Now I am showing you this with the help of a chemical equation. What we are doing? CO2 is reacting with lime water, and lime water is turning milky. Now let me show you. CO2 is reacting with lime water. So CO2 plus lime water. And what is the chemical formula of lime water? Calcium hydroxide. Okay. CaOH twice. C will be capital, A will be small. Ca is together. This is calcium hydroxide. Okay. When they will react, it results in the formation of calcium carbonate. It results in the formation of calcium carbonate. And this calcium carbonate, basically due to the formation of calcium carbonate, lime water turns milky. Now basically lime water has changed to calcium carbonate, and calcium carbonate is milky. Okay. So in this reaction you can see there is a formation of a new substance. When vinegar and baking soda are mixed together, it results in the formation of new substances. So it is a chemical change. Okay. So reaction of baking soda and vinegar is a chemical change, as it results in the formation of a new substance, that is CO2 and other substances. Okay. Thank you.